Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like trading? Do you like investing in Bitcoin? Then this video will be for you. We'll be talking about Delta Exchange, platform for exchange, spot trading, margin trading. We will go through it in the next few minutes. But first of all, this is not a financial advice. It's only for educational purposes. Everything is linked down below as usual. Feel free to check it out and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on Delta Exchange. What's going on here? As you can see, nice layout for the website, market, trade, options, invest, and offers. As you scroll down, you will see some statistics, some total volume, options volume, futures volume, the markets. Here's an overview of what's going on here in the market. That's Ethereum Classics, that's Matic, for instance, Ethereum, normal Ethereum, and then you have the application if you wish to download the app on your phone and then start trading on your phone or start investing on your phone. You have 24/7 support, and you have also innovative products and safe and secure layout security. So what's going on here? Well, let's go to markets and see what's going on in the market. Of course, you know that the crypto market is not really doing its best at the moment. It's fluctuating slightly, ups and downs, and that's where the money is done. Money is done whenever there is a volatility in the market, and whenever there is volatility, there is potential profit for you as an investor. So as you can see here, that's the market section. You can see that Bitcoin is here, of course, #1 trending coin, Bitcoin USD and USDT. Tether, if you want to do Tether, if you want to use directly, and also Ethereum, you have Solana, you have Avalanche, you have Bitcoin Cash, you have everything in one simple place. And also something rather interestingly here, you will find that there are smart contracts. That means Ethereum and similar protocols. And also you will have gaming coins like Mana, Sand, AXS, and also you will have meme coins, Shiba and Dogecoin. These are the major meme coins out there. Of course, there are many others, but I would say Shiba and Dogecoin. I mean, you probably heard about these two. Dogecoin last summer, it was like going crazy. Shiba Inu last summer literally made billionaires. I'm not exaggerating. Shiba Inu was going like over, I don't know, 230,000%. It was just went parabolically high, and it's a meme coin at the end of the day, meaning that it doesn't really have any value, but people decided to give it value. So when you go to NFT, that's NFT related coins. You will see here Mana, Sand, ENJ, and also you will have Audio USDT. That's also quite interesting, and Gala as well. So these are the NFT related coins, and you also have Metaverse and decentralized finance, and here the Metaverse related coins also being Mana and Sand. So what's going on here? You can also trade normally. You can trade futures, you can trade spot. What do I mean? Well, you can trade futures, meaning that you can buy with leverage, you can leverage up, you can leverage down, you can say, okay, I'm betting 10x, 20x, 100x that the price is going to a certain direction, so you can maximize your profits, but you can also run the risk that you can get liquidated with any oscillation in the market. So you will have to be a bit careful here with using leverage trading. Can be quite tricky and it can hurt you financially, but generally speaking, if you want a safer option, you can go to trade and you can move to spot trading. Spot trading, in simple terms, that means that you can buy the actual coin and hold it. Should you hold it on the platform? Well, that's completely up to you. If you wish to hold it on the platform, you can. If you want to move it to a separate wallet, you can also do that. But spot trading is way better if you want to buy the actual coin itself. You want to buy, for instance, Bitcoin at 20K and sell it at 22, so you made 2K. You can do that at spot trading. You can also trade futures, but I would say futures at the moment with the market volatility can be quite tricky to handle, and if you're not really knowing what you're doing, it can be hurtful for you and your finance. So options trading as well is available here. Of course, you can also trade options on the platforms, quite easy and simple, and you have here BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, Link, Avalanche, and Matic. You can set it to price or to market or to limit order. It's up to you. You have everything in one place. It's basically a new competitor in the market with less fees. So going back here to invest, which is quite interesting here. Here you have robo strategies and staking pools. Let's go to robo strategies first. You will get an overview of what they're doing. These are strategies here that rewards. You can choose which one you want to go with. You have numerous ones, and here you have to read the disclaimers. You need to read also the terms and conditions so you can have an understanding of what you're doing and what kind of risks associated with everything. Of course, there is nothing 100% risk free. You can also read that carefully and see what's going on. Of course, you can have staking pools. It's quite easy and it's pretty much understandable what staking pool is. You can stake your coins and get rewards or get percentage over time. Here BTC is 1%,
12% APY, Dato is 10% APY, USDT is 6% APY, and Ethereum staking is currently at 1% APY. Not really that lucrative, but Ethereum will be transitioning into ETH 2.0 or Ethereum 2. This will be quite interesting because they're moving from proof of work to proof of stake. This will be a huge deal in the future for Ethereum. So something also going on here that you need to have a look at is the Twitter account. Twitter account here is currently 23.9 thousand followers. Everything is linked down below, by the way. You can check it out. You can get yourself acquainted with what's going on and try it out yourself. It's quite easy and simple to sign up as well. I'll show you that in a minute. As you can see here, they're quite big on Twitter. They have a lot of followers. They're quite interactive. You can ask questions. You can have any bugs fixed. You can have anything answered here on the Twitter. Twitter community is growing, and it's quite a good indicator for you as an investor, as a project or an exchange. So this can be quite interesting for you to have a look at. So going back here, the signing up process is quite simple and straightforward. You click sign up, and then you can just put your data here, your country of residence, email and password, and if you have a referral link, you can click sign up, and then it will send you a confirmation email. You can confirm your email and you're good to go. And also, as I told you, they have the option of mobile trading, or if you wish to download it on a tablet or a mobile phone, so you can follow up with your trade and see what's going on here in the market and not miss an opportunity, I would say. So that's a quick overview of what's going on here. Generally speaking, the market is getting quite lucrative over here, and the total volume will be quite supportive. Also, that's a 24 hours volume. That means that they can cover all trades, no liquidity lack here, everything is there, and the execution time as well also on this platform is quite nice. All people are quite satisfied with using this platform, so I would highly recommend you to check the links down below and see what's it all about and get yourself involved and see where it will lead. But as I told you, trade with some risk management in place. The market is highly volatile and you don't really need to risk so much in future trading. Probably start with spot trading and see how it's going until the market levels out and until Bitcoin's levels stabilize, and then you can increase your risk accordingly.
So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Delta Exchange, an all-in-one platform for trading, investing, doing future trades, doing spot trading. You can do it all on the platform, and you can also download the app on your phone or your tablet. Everything is at your fingertips. As usual, everything is linked down below. Check it out, and also leave any comments you might have. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and see you next one. Bye-bye.